What is your relationship with money like? Is it a source of stress or a tool for freedom? Imagine this. Meet John. He's a hard worker, clocking in more hours than most. He's diligent and dedicated, yet he constantly finds himself struggling financially. Why is this? It's not because John isn't working hard enough, it's because of his money mindset. You see, our money mindset is like a puzzle, a complex interplay of beliefs, experiences, and attitudes towards money. It's the way we think about money, and it influences every financial decision we make. For John, his money mindset is one of scarcity and stress, not abundance and freedom. He sees money as a constant battle, a never-ending cycle of earning and spending with no room for growth or prosperity. John's situation may seem familiar, but it's not inevitable. Let's explore the 7 mental shifts necessary to change this narrative. Number 1, scarcity to abundance. Imagine a woman named Sarah, always worried about not having enough. She's constantly stressed over bills, feeling like she's trapped in a never-ending cycle of scarcity. But then, she begins a mental shift. Instead of focusing on her lack, she starts recognizing the abundance around her. She starts to see opportunities where she once saw limitations. Sarah begins to think about what she can achieve, not what she lacks. She starts to value her skills, her time, and her potential. She realizes that she's not defined by her bank account, but by her wealth of experiences, relationships, and abilities. As she shifts her mindset from scarcity to abundance, Sarah's life begins to change. She becomes more confident and ambitious. She starts attracting opportunities and wealth because she's open to them. She stops seeing herself as a victim of circumstances and starts seeing herself as a creator of her destiny. Just like Sarah, embracing abundance can open doors you never knew existed. Number 2, spending to investing. Meet Tom, a man who loves splurging on the latest tech gadgets. He's always first in line for the newest smartphone, the loudest speakers, the sleekest laptops. But Tom began to notice a pattern. His bank account was dwindling while his living room was filling up with gadgets that quickly lost their shine. So, Tom made a decision. Instead of spending his money on the newest gadget, he'd invest it. He started small, buying a few shares here and there. He wasn't expecting miracles overnight, but he was patient. As time passed, Tom noticed another pattern. His bank account was growing, not shrinking. His investments were generating income even when he wasn't working. And the best part, he still enjoyed his tech gadgets, but now they were rewards for his smart decisions, not just fleeting pleasures. See, Tom's life took a turn for the better when he started investing, not just spending. Number 3, earning to creating. Ever heard of Lisa, a talented artist stuck in a 9-to-5 job? Trapped in the cycle of earning a paycheck, Lisa found herself yearning for something more, something that would make her heart sing. She was a creator at heart, brimming with ideas, but her potential was stifled by her routine job. One day, Lisa decided to take a leap of faith. She started to paint, creating beautiful pieces of art that echoed her soul. She began to share her work with the world, not just to earn, but to create. And guess what? People loved it. They started buying her artwork not because it was just another commodity, but because it was a piece of Lisa's soul. This shift from earning to creating was a game changer for Lisa. She was not just earning money, she was creating wealth. She was not just selling products, she was sharing her passion. Lisa learned that creating wealth is more empowering than simply earning it. The remaining shifts are just as transformative. Let's dive in. Number 4, fearing money to respecting money. Many of us have been conditioned to fear money, to see it as something that can corrupt or complicate. But it's essential to understand that money itself is not the villain. It's simply a tool, an energy that can be directed for good or ill. When we respect money, we respect its power and potential, and we can use it more wisely and effectively. Number 5, working for money to making money work for us. This is about moving from a mindset that sees earning as a slog, a relentless treadmill, to one that sees possibilities for financial freedom. It's about understanding the power of investments, of passive income, of creating streams of revenue that work even while we're not. It's not about avoiding work, rather it's about smart work, work that continues to pay dividends long after the initial effort. Number 6, from reactive to proactive. Often our financial decisions are driven by circumstances, by the need to react to unexpected expenses or opportunities. But a proactive approach, one that plans, anticipates, and prepares, can create a far more stable and sustainable financial future. It's about taking control, not just responding to what life throws at us. Number 7, money as a goal to money as a tool. We need to shift from seeing money as a goal to seeing it as a tool. Yes, financial security is important, but money is not an end in itself. It's a means to an end, a tool that can help us achieve our real goals, whether that's starting a business, supporting a cause, or simply providing a comfortable life for our loved ones. These shifts are not overnight changes, they are journeys. Start yours today. So, are you ready to change your money mindset? Let's take a moment to recap the 7 mental shifts we've explored today. We began with the journey from scarcity to abundance, recognizing that the world is full of opportunities for wealth. Next, we discussed the shift from spending to investing, understanding the power of making our money work for us. We then moved on to the shift from earning to creating, discovering that wealth is not just about income, but also about creating value. In our final segment, we delved into 4 additional shifts: from fear to courage, from isolation to connection, from complexity to simplicity, and from instant gratification to long-term vision. These shifts are crucial in reframing our perspective on money and wealth. These mental shifts are not just concepts, they are the stepping stones to financial freedom and abundance. They are the foundation to a prosperous life. Remember, change begins with your mindset. Start your journey towards wealth and abundance today. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more wealth and financial tips.